It's time to enter your stock sales. Let's go over what's coming up next. First, make sure you have all of your stock sales forms from your financial institution, whether they're digital or paper copies. Your 1099-B is usually in a consolidated statement that might include other tax forms as well. You can import your 1099-B quickly and securely using your account info from many of our partnered institutions. Once it finishes, you can review it along with your form to make sure all of the information is correct. Or you can type in your 1099-B information yourself. We'll guide you through entering the amounts from each section and have plenty of inline help along the way if you ever get stuck. If you sold stock with multiple institutions, you'll need to repeat this with each one until you've entered all of your 1099-Bs. And if you have a supplemental form or Form 3922, we'll help you enter those as well.